Japan is a country of extraordinary contrasts and captivating beauty, where the ancient and modern exist in harmony. From bustling megacities with soaring skyscrapers and neon lights to serene temples nestled among mountains, Japan offers a vast array of experiences that appeal to every kind of traveler. With its rich culture, history, and stunning landscapes, Japan has become a dream destination for those seeking adventure, tranquility, and a deeper understanding of a culture steeped in tradition and innovation. This video will explore some of the most beautiful and iconic destinations across Japan, offering a glimpse into the diverse attractions that await visitors to this enchanting country. Tokyo, the heartbeat of Japan. No journey to Japan is complete without visiting Tokyo, the pulsating capital that encapsulates the nation's incredible fusion of futuristic innovation and deep-rooted traditions. Tokyo is one of the world's largest cities, a sprawling metropolis where ancient temples stand side by side with towering skyscrapers, and where traditional tea ceremonies coexist with robot-themed restaurants. Shibuya and Shinjuku. One of Tokyo's most famous landmarks is Shibuya Crossing, the world's busiest pedestrian crossing. Watching the sea of people move in all directions in perfect synchronization is mesmerizing. Nearby, the Hachiko statue, a tribute to the loyal dog who waited for his owner every day at Shibuya Station, is another popular attraction. Shibuya offers a blend of modern shopping, neon lights, and lively nightlife. Meanwhile, Shinjuku is home to towering skyscrapers, bustling streets, and the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building, which offers stunning panoramic views of the city. On clear days, you might even catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji in the distance. Kabukicho, Tokyo's most famous nightlife district, is also located in Shinjuku, where visitors can experience everything from karaoke bars to themed restaurants. Asakusa and Sensoji. For a taste of Tokyo's traditional side, head to Asakusa, home to the city's oldest temple, Sensoji. The imposing Kaminarimon Gate, with its giant red lantern, welcomes visitors to this historic temple complex. Strolling through Nakami's Street, a bustling marketplace lined with stalls selling traditional snacks and souvenirs, transports you to a bygone era of Japan. Sensoji's five-story pagoda and peaceful gardens offer a tranquil contrast to the city's frenetic energy. Kyoto, the cultural heart of Japan. If Tokyo represents the future of Japan, Kyoto is its cultural and spiritual heart. Known for its well-preserved temples, traditional tea houses, and stunning gardens, Kyoto offers visitors a glimpse into Japan's rich history. Once the imperial capital of Japan for over 1,000 years, Kyoto is a treasure trove of ancient temples, Shinto shrines, and traditional wooden houses, giving travelers a rare opportunity to experience the beauty of Japan's classical architecture. Fushimi Inari Shrine. One of Kyoto's most iconic landmarks is the Fushimi Inari Shrine, famous for its thousands of bright red torii gates that form a winding path up Mount Inari. These gates are donated by individuals and businesses in hopes of receiving prosperity and good fortune from Inari, the Shinto god of rice and fertility. The hike through the torii gates is a serene experience, offering breathtaking views of Kyoto from the mountain's summit. Kinkakuji, or the Golden Pavilion. Another must-visit in Kyoto is Kinkakuji. This Zen Buddhist temple is renowned for its top two floors, which are covered in shimmering gold leaf, and its picturesque setting beside a reflective pond. Whether in the vibrant colors of autumn or the snowy stillness of winter, Kinkakuji exudes an ethereal beauty that leaves a lasting impression on every visitor. Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. For nature lovers, the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove offers an otherworldly experience. Walking along the path, surrounded by towering bamboo stalks that sway gently in the breeze, is a magical escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Nearby, the Tenryuji Temple and its beautifully landscaped gardens offer another peaceful retreat. Mount Fuji, Japan's majestic icon. Standing at 3,776 meters, Mount Fuji is Japan's highest mountain, and perhaps its most recognizable symbol. The nearly symmetrical volcanic cone has been immortalized in countless works of art and literature, and for centuries it has been a place of spiritual significance. A trip to Japan would not be complete without seeing this majestic peak, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Climbing Mount Fuji. For the adventurous, climbing Mount Fuji is an unforgettable experience. The official climbing season runs from July to September, and the most popular route is the Yoshida Trail, which takes climbers to the summit in time for Goreiko, the breathtaking sunrise over Japan. The ascent is challenging, but the views from the summit, along with the sense of accomplishment, make the effort worthwhile. Fuji 5 Lakes. If scaling the peak isn't your goal, you can still enjoy Mount Fuji's beauty from the surrounding Fuji 5 Lakes region. Lake Kawaguchi is particularly popular for its stunning views of Mount Fuji reflected in the calm waters. The area also offers hot springs, traditional ryokan, Japanese inns, and excellent hiking trails for those looking to explore the natural beauty of the region. While Hiroshima is indelibly linked to the atomic bombing of 1945, the city has since rebuilt itself as a vibrant metropolis and a symbol of peace. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, located at the heart of the city, serves as a poignant reminder of the horrors of war and the importance of peace. Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. The A-bomb dome, one of the few structures that survived the bombing, is a stark symbol of the city's tragic past. Nearby, the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum offers an emotional and informative account of the bombing and its aftermath. The Children's Peace Monument, with its thousands of paper cranes, is a moving tribute to the children who lost their lives and a symbol of hope for a peaceful future. Miyajima Island and its Tsukushima Shrine. Just a short ferry ride from Hiroshima is Miyajima Island, famous for the floating torii gate of its Tsukushima Shrine. This stunning Shinto shrine appears to float on the water during high tide, creating one of Japan's most photographed views. Visitors can also explore the island's hiking trails, interact with the friendly deer that roam freely, or take a cable car up Mount Misen for panoramic views of the surrounding islands. Hokkaido, Japan's wild northern frontier. For those seeking nature and adventure, Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island, offers unspoiled wilderness, stunning landscapes, and abundant wildlife. Known for its cool climate, hot springs, and vast natural parks, Hokkaido is a year-round destination, with activities ranging from skiing and snowboarding in the winter to hiking and flower viewing in the summer. Sapporo and the Snow Festival. The capital of Hokkaido, Sapporo, is known for its annual snow festival, held every February. During the festival, the city is transformed into a winter wonderland with massive snow and ice sculptures, some of which are intricately detailed works of art. Visitors can also enjoy winter sports such as skiing in nearby resorts or indulge in local culinary specialties like soup curry and Genghis Khan, a grilled lamb dish. Furano and Biei. In the warmer months, Hokkaido's countryside is a sight to behold. The towns of Furano and Biei are famous for their vibrant flower fields, particularly the lavender fields that bloom in July. The rolling hills and colorful patchwork of flowers create a postcard-perfect landscape, attracting photographers and nature lovers from around the world. Shiratoko National Park. For those seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, Shiratoko National Park on Hokkaido's northeastern coast is one of Japan's most remote and pristine wilderness areas. The park is home to dramatic cliffs, waterfalls, and abundant wildlife, including brown bears and eagles. Visitors can explore the park on foot or by boat, taking in the stunning scenery and experiencing the raw beauty of Japan's natural landscapes. Okinawa, Japan's tropical paradise. Located far to the south of mainland Japan, the Okinawa Islands offer a tropical retreat with white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and a unique cultural heritage. Once the center of the independent Ryukyu Kingdom, Okinawa has a distinct culture that blends Japanese, Chinese, and Southeast Asian influences. Shuri Castle. The former royal palace of the Ryukyu Kingdom, Shuri Castle, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that reflects the unique architectural style of Okinawa. While the original castle was destroyed during World War II and later rebuilt, it remains a symbol of Okinawa's rich history and cultural identity. Although it was tragically damaged by fire in 2019, restoration efforts are underway to preserve this important landmark. Okinawa's beaches and marine life. Okinawa's beaches are some of the most beautiful in Japan, with clear turquoise waters and vibrant coral reefs. Kume Island, Ishigaki and Miyakojima are particularly famous for their pristine beaches and world-class snorkeling and diving spots. Visitors can explore underwater caves, swim alongside colorful fish, and experience the rich marine biodiversity that makes Okinawa a paradise for nature lovers. Japan is a land of captivating contrasts, where the past and present coexist in harmony, and where natural beauty and modern innovation blend seamlessly. From the neon-lit streets of Tokyo to the tranquil temples of Kyoto, the majestic peak of Mount Fuji to the tropical shores of Okinawa, Japan offers an endless array of experiences for every traveler. Whether you are drawn to the country's rich cultural heritage, its stunning natural landscapes, or its cutting-edge technology, Japan will leave you with unforgettable memories and a deeper appreciation for this unique and fascinating nation. Subscribe for more information about your favorite destinations.